Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to demote a domain controller in Windows Server. There could be many reasons why you want to do that. All that matters is how you can do that. So we will see the step-by-step process for that in this video. I am currently on a Windows Server 2019 and it is a domain controller as you can see in the server manager. I want to demote this domain controller. So let us see how you can do that. In the server manager, click manage and then click remove roles and features. Next in that wizard, select the server. So I will just select the server here and click on next. Under server roles, I have to uncheck Active Directory Domain Services. In the pop-up window, I have to click on remove features. After a few moments, I get a validation results. It mentions that the validation process found problems on the server from which you want to remove features. The selected features cannot be removed from the selected server and it advises that the Active Directory domain controller needs to be demoted before the ADDS role can be removed. Click on demote this domain controller link in that window. Next, under Active Directory Domain Services Configuration Wizard, check force the removal of this domain controller and click next. Here it is advised that you must perform metadata cleanup after demoting the domain controller. A domain controller have FSMO roles installed. So in the next window under warnings, you can simply check the proceed with removal. Make sure that you have already moved FSMO roles to another server and hit the next button in this window. Now you will be asked to create a new administrator password. So simply type a new password and confirm it. You will use this password after demoting the domain controller and click next. Under review options, you have to simply click on the demote button and this will start the process for demoting the domain controller in your Windows server. This may take a few moments to complete. Once it is done, you will be seeing this window. You are about to sign out. Click on close in that and you can see that successfully demoted the Active Directory domain controller, and after that the server will automatically reboot. So after restarting, log into the administrator account with the new password we have created while demoting the domain controller, and we will now check if the server is actually demoted, and we will check if we can join this server to another server and make it as a member server. So in the server manager, you can now see that under work group, it is connected to work group. It is no longer connected to the domain. And I will just check with the system properties as well. For that, I will run sysdm.cpl command. In the system properties, on the computer tab, if I click on the change button, I can easily join this server to another server which has a domain controller installed on it, so that this server can become a member server. In this way, we have successfully demoted the domain controller in Windows Server. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.